guy look like get stuck. It's very important for you to have your snow tires on your car. With this amount of snowfall, you know, you have to go up on the hill. Like you don't get look now what's going on here.
Here by the morning. We're also waking up to wind chills around -14 the whole day with ice pellets, freezing drizzle, and freezing rain ongoing throughout the day tomorrow. It's not going to be heavy in the morning, but it's still enough. That freezing drizzle will put down a layer of ice on top of what we're doing right now. -2 will be the afternoon temperature. Overnight tonight, steady near -6. It is currently -6, feels like -12 at Pearson. Thank you. The Thompson City News Time 9:04. Well, the weather, of course, disrupting a number of transit services and in some cases, potential power outages. Carly Donahue joins us live with the very latest on the situation. Carly. Caitlin, a number of flights within Canada and to the U.S. canceled heading out of Toronto Pearson Airport. The TTC has closed 41 bus stops located on hills and shut down Line 3 on the Scarborough SRT. But that's just closures and cancellations. Vincent Ferrazza is the Director of Ops and Maintenance at Toronto Transpo. He says crews have been out doing the best they can, but they only do so much.
All of our road salters and plows, our sidewalk machines. We also have dedicated equipment for the bicycle lanes and for our multi-purpose trails. We're going to do everything that we can to find some salt and plow the snow, recognizing because the precipitation is going to be changing so quickly, there's still going to be icy road conditions.
As Ferrazza said, crews in Toronto and other cities aren't able to reach every spot ASAP, so driving right now remains dangerous as many side streets are still coated with snow.
Like I see 16 cars came out of Milton. Some of them are driving on the highways. Like I see 16 cars came out of Milton. Some of them are driving on the highway.
On your left,
no
we have the snow plows are waiting to get onto the highways to start clearing the snow.
Already experiencing intense freezing rain and falling ice pellets north of the GTA. Heavy snow. City News 680 will continue to bring you the latest on any road closures, major collisions, and of course, power outages, which are a large concern through the Golden Horseshoe. Keep it locked.
We are in the city of Toronto,
reporting live, Carly Donahue, City News.
in North York. So I'm just going to take a drive to show you
in our transit system has become. There were 145
show you around the snowy roads.
68 in 2022.
So enjoy
nearly 50% over 2021.
my video.
Comes at a time when the TTC
You are watching.
bringing pre-pandemic
Have a nice day,
back on board.
AJ.
Now, according to the report, ridership is expected to rise 75% of 2019 levels by the end of the year. A TTC spokesperson says in response to the reports, the recent rise in these serious, high-profile incidents is why we're working closely with the City of Toronto and to deploy additional staff teams with expertise in addiction, mental health, housing, and security.
City News Time 9:07.
City News Time 9:07. Here at home, Halton police are hoping a video of a carjacking in Milton yesterday will help them track down two men accused of violent crimes. Our Scott Burnett with more.
It began around 9:30 Tuesday morning when officers spotted a white pickup truck that was reported stolen back in January, weaving in and out of traffic near Derry Road and Holly Avenue.
As you can see, the roads are all covered and
before driving, injuries reported there. Officers then received reports of a carjacking in a nearby grocery store parking lot. Bystander video shows the men violently dragging her to the ground and taking off in the car. The victim was taken to hospital with non-life-threatening injuries. You can see the shocking video as well as suspect descriptions and a picture of one of the men at toronto.citynews.ca. Scott Burnett, City News.
This is City News at Indigo is before a cybersecurity incident knocked it offline 2 weeks ago. Shelburne can now buy books on what's being called a temporary website, but you can't sign into your Indigo account or purchase any other lifestyle products. The company said last week customer credit and debit card information was not compromised by the gas price update is next. This is City News 680.
This portion of the news is brought to you by Aaron Park Lexus. Listening to what you tell us. You say you want a stylish exterior? Heard. You need to stay connected from the road. We hear you. Expect exceptional performance? We heard that too. You hear that? That's the sound of another happy guest.
This month, get 6.9% lease rates over 24 months on the redesigned 2023 RX 350 at Aaron Park Lexus. Now the City News gas price update, and our British price will go up a cent tonight to $44.9 a liter at most GTA stations. We'll check traffic and weather in 1 minute.
Many people suffer from anxiety and depression. They feel an immense sense of despair. I'm Nanish Kotak, and at Kotak Law, we help clients who've been denied long-term disability. Often, insurance companies deny disability claims on the basis that there's insufficient medical evidence. We fight for your right to receive the compensation. If you've been denied long-term disability, don't give up. Visit Kotak.
good evening. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Have a Nice Day AJ, and this evening and right through the night and tomorrow we expect to receive at least 15 to 20 centimeters of snow on the ground. So I'm just showing you what it's like to drive through a snowstorm.
9:11, time for traffic and weather together on the one for checking with Jazzy Greenlaw. Thank you so much, Caitlin. This report brought to you by Lexus of Oakville. A heavy drive on both separate major routes right now. And a lot of problems due to the weather. So let's just get to the problems, okay? Eastbound 401 is before Group First. We have an issue that's clear, but we'll round to the blocked off. And speaking of the northbound 410, a very heavy volume up until the Mayfield. It's nasty on the 410. Heavy delays. So if you can avoid the north 410, do so. Southbound 404 DDP as well. Approaching Don Mills, the right lane is blocked off. This is due to a stalled vehicle, so it's very heavy from Dundas. Past the problem at Don Mills, up until the 401, just very heavy volume. West QEW run to Winston Churchill has a right lane blocked. I know we just talked about it. The 401 express to collector transfer is blocked off. And you cross to the left lane. And once again, the northbound 410 very heavy from 401 all the way up until Mayfield. Another issue is from the two right lanes blocked off there for a crash. Just minor delays on the side, but it's also busy as you approach the Burlington Stillwood. Over on our State Street, South Allen, just past Transit Road. The right lane is blocked 14 to start, and then through the afternoon, ice pellets continuing along with freezing rain. So very icy conditions expected on top of whatever we're getting now, and we'll have an afternoon temperature of -2. Then we switch everything back over to some light snow Thursday night, but it'll be lake effect snow, more intense off of Georgian Bay. So areas to the north, the snow melts once for another 5 to 10 centimeters. We'll get flurries in Toronto Friday morning. A sunny afternoon, but it's cold, -7. At the warmest point of the day, it'll feel like -15 on Friday. Overnight tonight, temperatures steady near -.
As you can see, the streets are almost clear of vehicles. Malls are closed, and everyone just want to get home because it's not safe to be on the road driving around.
The coalition hoping Torontonians will turn out in big numbers to vote in what will be Canada's biggest ever bio. Community groups want more shelter space, warming centers, affordable housing, and social support services. Headlines in Sports Day. For total 2% commission, 1% for seller agent, 1% for buyer agent. Total 2%, 1% for each agent. Planning on buying a home? Now get $5,000. Yes, $5,000 to use for a down payment or extend if you wish. Visit modernsolution.ca to learn more.
Cozy is calling at McDonald's. Enjoy a medium McCafe premium roast hot or iced coffee for $1 plus tax. Brewed for a rich, smooth, and delicious cheese. Get yours only for a limited time at participating McDonald's restaurants in Canada. Prices exclude delivery.
Here's how to
Just gonna merge onto the 401 highway and see what's going on there.
That's actually the only step. With programs like AdMatch, No Name Products, and PC Optimum, we make it easy. We're Canadian Superstore. Shop online and in-store. Toronto's news. Now, this is 680 everywhere.
It is -5 in downtown
So take the snow yet?
Blowing snow feels like
On the ramp?
-12.
Onto the highway.
Uncapably, here are the top stories this hour. A winter storm warning ongoing in Toronto. Be careful out there. We're getting lots of reports to vehicles stuck and having trouble getting on hills. We're expecting up to 20 more centimeters of snow to fall this evening and into the overnight. Your extended forecast at 9:21. We're following breaking news out of Orlando, Florida, where a TV journalist and a 9-year-old girl have been killed in a shooting. Another TV employee, the child's mother, injured. The TV crew was there to cover an earlier shooting with the same suspect involved. And Indigo has put up a temporary website following a cybersecurity incident that knocked it offline 2 weeks ago. You can buy books on this website, but you can't sign into your Indigo account or purchase any other products available for sale.
Hello, good night from North York. I just want to show you the snowy streets of Toronto. I'm just going to walk a few blocks and good night. You are watching Have a Nice Day, AJ. As you can see, there's lots of snow on the sidewalk and on the roads. So I just want to give you a walking tour of my area. And I try to get to the 401 highway to show you what it's like if there's any traffic. As you can see, the sidewalk is all covered with snow. I forgot to put on my shoes or boots. As you can see in front of me, the sidewalks are all covered with snow, and according to the news, we expect to have at least 15 to 20 centimeters of snow during the night and in the morning. And so tomorrow morning would be a slow drive into work, because I don't think the snow plows would be able to keep up with the amount of snow that's falling. So let's go and check out the streets and see what's going on the highways. As you can see, some cars are stuck. It's kind of cold outside. No, I can feel the ice blowing into my face. As you can see, the ice is falling. This footage is taken on Western Road, close to the 401 highways, east and west.